Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. How are you? Wa alaikum assalam. Right, we're doing verbal comprehension. So I would like you to look at the board behind me, please. Thank you. Right, the first question. Do you think that a scientist has any special qualities? And if he has, which type of qualities? Good. Let's see. Curiosity and patience. Yes. And he must be able to understand and store data. He must have logical and clear thinking. Good, well done. So, why must he have curiosity? Why curiosity? Tell me. Very good. Excellent. Good. He needs to have curiosity so that he can see why that is happening. And if it's happening, what is the benefit or not? If it's not of a benefit, then why is it still happening? Good. Patience. Why does he need patience? Exactly, because if something is not working right, it doesn't matter. He can go back and redo the work. Like if he's made an investigation and something's not quite right, what can he do? He can just go back and think, okay, that didn't work, let me try it this way. Good. So he needs curiosity and patience because they're curious about everything. Now, number 2, they must have good observation. Yes, they must observe what is going on and why is that happening. Why is not working? If it's working, good. And if it's not working, why is it not working? What would happen if it started? Very good. So they need to observe everything and record the details. Very good. Explore, something like that. Explore and manage data. Very good. So, number 3, they must be creative and open to new ideas. Like if someone says, yes, but that was ages ago. Now this happens. Like some people perhaps thought differently, so they might have a new idea for something. So they must think about all these new ideas. Time management, yes. They need to know when to plan, when to do the experiments, and everything. What else? They must have good communication skills. They need to be able to ask questions quickly. Like if I was doing an investigation on something, I would want to ask you lots of questions. So it's not going to be helpful अगर मैं ऐसी बैठी रहूँ I have an investigation, मगर मुझे शर्म आ रही है मैं क्या बोलूँ. चले कोई बात नहीं, आप बस ये करके बता दें. No, you need to have communication skills. Right, question 2. What role do books play in the life of a scientist? Very good. They give them knowledge, yes. They help in data and analysis. Researching, good, because Remember, Ibn Sina was given access to the royal library, so there he found many rare books which were books with work from rare scientists, rare experiments, and he had that at his hand to look at. Good. Now, question number 3. Arrange the important events in the life of Ibn Sina in order. So, the first one, Ibn Sina was born very good. He memorized the Quran by the age of 10. He was introduced to various religious, philosophical, and scientific teachings at a very tender age, 17, and he thought medicine was not difficult. He turned to medicine at 16 and not only learnt theoretical medicine but also discovered new methods of treatment. Then, after his father's death, he left Bukhara for Juriana and offered his services to the Khawazmian dynasty. There he wrote Kitab al-Taqdiril and Anwarul Khatafa Tadbir and Qiyamatul Adafis al-Sama. Then he went on to Jurjan and wrote another book, and then he left for Ray near modern Tehran. Then he left for Hamdan and he wrote his 2 philosophical treatises, Kitab al-Shifa and Al-Adwat, Remedies of the Heart. Ibn Sina then, where did he go? Went to Isfahan and as a Sufi and joined Abu Ja'far. What else? Very good. And then he became an advisor in the matters of science and literature. He died in June 428 in Hamdan, Persia, at the young age of 58 and was buried at the same place. Question number 4. I prefer ... but easy life. Which one of the 2 would you like to have? Do you want to have a short life but full of very interesting and it must be full of quality and quantity, or just a normal long life? You have to tell me. Alright? Now, what we're going to do tomorrow is we're going to do this in written. Okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to write about this to your teacher. Okay? Good. Allah Hafiz.